Samuel. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. You roll it, roll it. Good job. Pat it. And mark it with an S. Can you throw it in the oven? Throw it in the oven for Samuel. Samuel, can you say no? Good job. Can you say yes? Can you say yes? Samuel, can you say no? Say no. Samuel. Can you say no? Are you all done? Can you say all done?
All done.
Can I have this?
He needs it.
Can we see your tutu first?
Samuel.
You have to lift up his top lip. You have to lift it up. There they are.